Hi guys, welcome to Easy Math.
In this video, we'll solve fourth problem from exercise 1.1. First, we have to show that a square minus 3a minus 7i equals to 0. This 2 represents, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. It's nothing that. And also we have to find a inverse. Okay. So first we'll simplify this, that is we'll solve this, then we'll find the value of a inverse. And matrix A is given as 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So first what we have to show is a square minus 3a minus 7i. This I we have to take it in 2 cross 2 matrix equals to 0. 0 is also of 2 cross 2 matrix. That 2 represents, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. First let me find a squared. How to find a squared? A I will write it twice. 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. This is not a normal multiplication. We have to do a matrix multiplication. Always keep in mind that when it comes to a matrix multiplication, we have to follow one thing, that is, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. How it is 2 cross 2 matrix I say is, this is 1 row, 2 rows, 1 column, second column. So this is nothing but 2 cross 2 matrix which has 2 rows and 2 columns. This is also 2 cross 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. When it comes to a matrix multiplication, these two numbers must be always equal. Only then we can proceed with the matrix multiplication. And in the next step, we will understand how to do the matrix multiplication. First, we have to take this row. We have to multiply with this column. Again, take this row, we have to multiply with this column. Like this, we have to follow for all the rows. We will do one by one. First, let me take this row and this column. How to multiply is 5 into 5, 25. By default, we will put only plus. But depends upon the problem. If we get a minus, we have to replace it with plus into minus means minus. 5 into 5, 25. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So, this will become minus 3. This has become one term. Okay. Now, next we have to take this row and this column and it will occupy this term, which means 5 into 3, 15. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. First row is over. Next we have to take the next row. We have to proceed the same with all the columns. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Next this row into this column. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Next step we have to simplify. So if I simplify, 25 minus 3 is 22. 15 minus 6 is 9. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, 1. So this is the value of a squared. So we have found out a square. Next we have to find minus 3a into 7i2. We have to simplify all together. I will do it in the same step and let me explain you how to do that. The given left hand side is a square minus 3a minus 7i. This identity matrix is of 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. Now only we found out the value of a square, which is nothing but 22, 9, minus 3, 1. Minus into 3 into, we have to substitute the value of A matrix. We already have the matrix of A, which is nothing but 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Next, minus 7 into, identity matrix is nothing but, if it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, this is the 2 cross 2 matrix for identity matrix. That is, diagonal elements should be 1. All the elements should be of 0. If it comes to a 3 cross 3 matrix, we have to follow the same thing. Diagonal elements should be 1, the remaining elements should be 0. Next, what will I do is, I will keep the first term as it is, minus, this 3 I will multiply with the terms. This is not a matrix multiplication, this is normal multiplication, because 3 we can have to multiply with all the terms inside the matrix. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Similarly, for this term also I will multiply 7. 7 into 1, 7, 0, 0, 7. Now, normal matrix subtraction we have to do. First term we have is, first term in all the matrices 22 minus 15. This minus we have to take, 15 minus 7. Next 9 minus 9 minus 0. Next minus 3, minus into minus will become plus 3 minus 0. Next is 1 plus 6 minus 7. So next is 22 minus 15 minus 7 is minus 22. Plus 22 minus 22 will become 0. Plus 9 minus 9, 0. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. So this is 0 of 2 cross 2 matrix. So we have hence proved a squared minus 3a minus 7i 2 equals to 0, 2. We have proved this, hence proved. And also in the same question further they have asked us to find the A inverse. When we wanted to find A inverse, we have to post multiply by A inverse on both sides. A square into A inverse minus 3A into A inverse minus 7I into equals to 0 into A inverse. So base is equal, we can simplify the powers. 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 3 A into A inverse is I minus 7 I into A inverse is A inverse, which is equals to 0. We want only the value of A inverse. This term as the A inverse, so we will take it to the other side. A minus 3I equals to 7 into A inverse. A inverse we can rewrite it as 1 by 7 into A minus 3I. Now in this we have to substitute the value of A and identity matrix we have to simplify. Let us do that. A inverse equals to 1 by 7. A matrix is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 into identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. So next is 1 by 7. I will write it directly. First term is 5. Second for this term is 5. 3 into 1 is minus 3. Next term is 3. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. 7 minus 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 2. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So 1 by 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3, 7 minus 5. This is the value of A inverse for this problem. Usually while finding A inverse, we will use the formula and simplify. But in this problem, from the given answer we have found the A inverse, because when it is asked to find, hence find A inverse. In that case, from the proven one itself, we have to multiply A and bring the answer. In this case alone, we will solve like this.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.